Today we're celebrating Biodiversity Day here at our headquarters, and this really is the culmination of the Green Month celebrations which have been held throughout the month of June.
It's like a dress down Friday. People put the glad rags on, come out and do something positive for the garden, something that's good for nature, and also a bit of inspiration that they can take stuff home and improve their own gardens for nature. So we've got old garden boots which we're turning into bug hotels. We're using tyres for the roof of them, and the tyres have come from the Top Gear track from when Toyota had been using a car to thrash around, so nothing's going to waste.
Biodiversity Day offers a great opportunity for the company and the team to get together to celebrate our joint efforts to improve biodiversity on the site. Throughout the month we've been celebrating and learning about various environmental programs that are run by Toyota globally, but also here locally. It gives us a chance to come together as a team and really celebrate and reflect on our role as an environmental steward. It's such an enjoyable facility, and it's offering so much diversity back into the local wildlife and environment. People love being here, and that's quite something. From the company's point of view, we have a very ambitious set of environmental targets towards 2050. So we see Green Month, our Eco HQ and Biodiversity Day as an integral part of that long-term environmental vision.